Have you ever tasted something so unforgettable that it instantly transported you to another place? That's what Chinese food does. It's not just a meal, it's culture, history, and emotion served on a plate. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just someone who enjoys bold flavors, China has something that will blow your taste buds away. In this video, we'll explore 5 legendary Chinese dishes that have stood the test of time and won hearts all over the world. Let's take your appetite on a journey. Number 5. Dim sum. Imagine walking into a lively tea house where steaming bamboo baskets roll past you, each one carrying a tiny surprise. That's the magic of dim sum. Originating from southern China, especially Cantonese regions, dim sum is more than just food. It's a social experience. Each bite is delicate and rich with flavor, from shrimp dumplings to BBQ pork buns. What makes it special is the sheer variety. Dumplings, rolls, tarts, and buns, all made fresh and served hot. You don't order one dish, you sample many. Dim sum invites you to slow down and savor. It's not just about eating, it's about enjoying the moment, one bite at a time. Number 4. Peking Duck. Next up, we're heading to Beijing for a dish that's as royal as it sounds. Peking Duck. This isn't just any roast duck. It's a centuries-old recipe perfected during the Ming Dynasty and once reserved for emperors. The duck is seasoned, dried for hours, and then roasted until the skin turns paper-thin and crispy. It's carved in front of you and served with delicate pancakes, scallions, and sweet hoisin sauce. The first bite is unforgettable. Rich, crunchy, and melt in your mouth tender all at once. If there's one dish that captures the elegance of Chinese culinary tradition, this is it. Number 3. Sichuan Hot Pot. Brace yourself because it's about to get hot, really hot. Sichuan Hot Pot isn't for the faint of heart, but it's a thrill you won't forget. At the center of the table is a bubbling pot of red chili oil filled with garlic, ginger, and the signature Sichuan peppercorns that create that famous numbing sensation. What makes hot pot so fun is that you cook everything yourself. Beef slices, mushrooms, tofu, lotus root, you name it. You dip, cook, and eat at your own pace, building flavors with each bite. And yes, it's spicy, but it's also deep, complex, and layered. It's a communal feast where fire meets flavor in every mouthful. If you're enjoying this foodie tour, hit that like button now. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite Chinese dish so far? Keep watching because there's more deliciousness coming up. Number 2. Chow mein. Sometimes you just crave comfort, and that's exactly what chow mein delivers. These stir-fried noodles are one of the most beloved Chinese dishes worldwide, and it's easy to see why. Whether you prefer them soft and tender or crispy and golden, chow mein is tossed with fresh vegetables, garlic, savory soy sauce, and your choice of meat, tofu, or seafood. Cooked quickly over high heat in a hot wok, it develops that irresistible smoky flavor that's hard to beat. While it might not be the most exotic dish on the list, chow mein is pure satisfaction on a plate. It's the kind of meal that feels like a warm hug, perfect for when you want a taste of home, no matter where you are. Number 1. Mapo tofu. Rounding off our list is mapo tofu, a dish that surprises nearly everyone who tries it. Silky, soft tofu is gently simmered in a vibrant, bright red sauce made from spicy chili bean paste, ground meat, fragrant garlic, and, you guessed it, Sichuan peppercorns. This dish isn't just hot, it's an exciting mix of savory, tangy, and deeply umami flavors that dance on your palate. Originating from Chengdu, the heart of Sichuan cuisine, mapo tofu is a must-try for anyone who loves bold, adventurous tastes. Don't let the tofu's softness fool you. This dish packs a powerful punch, full of character, confidence, and layers of flavor that will keep you coming back for more. So there you have it, 5 unforgettable Chinese dishes that are more than just food, they're experiences. If you ever visit China, or even a great Chinese restaurant near you, don't skip these classics. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty journeys across China.